Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I am Alizea Lore. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning, November 14th. I am up kind of early. I ended my night kind of early last night because I was a little tipsy and high, so I ended up passing out on shit. But I'm up this morning and I want to prep this wig so I can install my wig later on today. Like I said, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. So y'all, these are the wigs. Hello. Yeah, these are the wigs. I honestly don't know which one I want to put on first. I really like this black long one. Really cute. I feel like a middle part with the baby hairs and the sideburns out would be really cute. But then I really like this one. I feel like it's very fall color oriented. Like I feel like it would look really good for the fall time going into fall. So I wanted to put on that one. And then I have this one. It is a ombre wig. It goes from black to brown to blonde. Like this one. I'm honestly thinking about cutting this one a little shorter, maybe into something cute, because I just don't like how thin it looks. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm gonna get one of these washed and get it prepped so I can put it on later. This one is gonna be, so I'm gonna take this in the bathroom and start washing and conditioning it. I got my shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna make this water a little hotter. Well, that's actually pretty good. I done cleaned out my sink. Now get it all wet. Oh, this wig stinks. I'm gonna add the shampoo, my pan tool. Nice little amount. And then stroke it in one direction. Ooh, these wigs be stinking bad as fuck. It's so soft though. Come on, off the lace, off the lace. Alright, I got all the shampoo out of it. I added another, I washed it with the shampoo one more time, so that makes it 2 shampoos. And now I'm about to put some conditioner. Put some conditioner on it. It's pretty soft, honestly. I really do like the wig. I do feel like these wigs just stink really bad. Like really bad. So I just wanna, honestly, I'm really trying to just get the smell gone and get it in its original state. So now I'm gonna just massage the conditioner out. I would let it sit, but I honestly really don't got that kind of time because I want to get it clean so it can start drying. That way by like 1, 2 o'clock I can go ahead and put the wig on.